Howdy folks, Eric Bly here. We're going to dance through a song called Smile by Sidewalk Prophets. It's an intermediate plus clogging routine, but don't be scared of some of the steps. I'm going to do a workshop style dance through. I'll do a YouTube live on March 22nd, and just look for I'll try to link that in the description below. Don't be scared of some of the steps. I've got some cheater steps in there. I'll show you in the workshop teach that I'll be doing, the live teach. So it has a hammer dulcimer intro, kind of difficult to get, but you can do this. Smile. Starts with a triple drag. Here we go. Double 1, 2, 3, drag. Add a basic on your left. Triple drag. Add a basic on your right. Sandball. Rambo. Sandball. Rambo. Rocker walker. Rocker walker. Rock forward and smile. Rock forward and smile. One more. Crazy triple. Forward toe heel. Rocker walker. Sandball. Rambo. Sandball. Rambo. Rocker walker. Rocker walker. Rock pole. Smile. Rock pole. Rock pole. Smile. Crazy triple. Rock pole. Smile. Rock pole. Smile. Woo. And smile. Crazy triple. Rocker walker. Cow kick. Twisty Charlie. Cow kick. Twisty Charlie. Scoot. Triple to the back. Scoot. Triple. Rocker walker. Woo. Rocker walker. Rock pull. Smile. Woo. Yeah. Smile. Crazy triple. Rock pull. Smile. Rock pull. Smile. Crazy triple. Go right to the cow kick. Double step, double cow kick. Twisty Charlie. Cow kick. Twisty Charlie. Single scoop. Triple. Scoop last time. Triple. 2 steps at the end. Take a big bow. You did a fine job. Smile.